the jungle where the tall trees grew, lived animals learning math. Yes, it's true. Miss Owl stood tall with her glasses so bright. Today she said we'll learn something right. Division, she hooted, is sharing things fair, like splitting your apples or cookies to spare. It's not very tricky, not scary or new, especially when we just divide by 2. Division, she hooted, is sharing things fair, like splitting your apples or cookies to spare. It's not very tricky, not scary or new, especially when we just divide by 2. Fox brought 4 berries, juicy and blue. She shared them with Ferret, that made 2. 4 divided by 2, they both gave a cheer. Means each of us gets 2 berries right here. Elephant danced with 8 bright balloons. He gave half to Monkey under the moons. They counted together, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 divided by 2 gives each of us 4. Lion had 12 toy drums in his cave. He gave 6 to Tiger, bold and brave. Let's share and be fair, said the musical crew. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, who knew? Zebra found 14 leaves on the trail. He shared them with Giraffe, long and pale. They munched and they crunched, happy as can be. 14 by 2 means 7 for you and me. Warm and sweet. She split them with Panda. What a treat. They both got 8 without any fuss. 16 were in 2 is just right for us. Now all the animals clapped and cheered. Division's fun, they loudly jeered. Just take a big number and break it in 2. Math is magic at the animal zoo.